Welcome to the installation video for the AVS Aeroskin on Ford model F-150s. The tools you need for this installation are car wash supplies, a clean towel, and masking tape. Step 1. Prior to installation, wash the hood of the vehicle and dry thoroughly with a clean cloth. Step 2. Lay the Aeroskin in place on the vehicle and mask off the surrounding areas with tape. Be sure all the tape is pressed down well before moving on. Step 3. Use the alcohol prep pads to clean the entire leading edge of the hood. Use one alcohol prep pad to cover 1/4 of the taped off area. Repeat with the other 3 alcohol prep pads until the entire area has been cleaned. Let the area dry. Step 4. Apply surface prep to the painted surface where Aeroskin will attach. Make sure to stay within the taped off area. Let the area dry. Step 5. Remove and discard all the masking tape. Step 6. Prepare the Aeroskin for installation by peeling back 2 inches of the tape liner from each section as shown. Ensure you have enough peeled back to grab a firm hold of. Step 7. Center the Aeroskin on the hood of the vehicle. Ensure that the bottom of the Aeroskin lines up with the bottom edge of the hood as shown. Take note of the order number shown for the following steps. Step 8. Begin removing tape liner number 1 by grasping the free end and pulling towards the nearest side of the truck. Applying even pressure to the Aeroskin behind the tape as you pull. Repeat this process for every tape liner following the order shown. After all the tape liners have been removed, press firmly along the edges of Aeroskin to ensure adhesion of the tape to hood surface. Apply pressure from the center out. Following application, it is recommended that you do not drive the vehicle for 24 hours and not wash the vehicle for 72 hours.